In a small village nestled among rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya was known throughout the village for her radiant smile and her ability to find happiness in even the simplest of things. As a child, Maya had faced many challenges. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and they lived in a tiny, rundown cottage. But despite their hardships, Maya's parents instilled in her the belief that happiness could be found in every moment of life. One day, as Maya was walking through the village, she noticed a group of children playing with kites in a nearby field. Their laughter and the colorful kites soaring in the sky filled the air with joy. Maya decided to join them, and soon, she was running through the field with her own kite, her worries melting away in the breeze. As the sun began to set, Maya sat on a grassy hill, watching the kites dance in the twilight sky. She realized that happiness was not about having the biggest house or the fanciest clothes. It was about cherishing the simple pleasures of life. Maya's quest for happiness led her to explore the village and its surroundings. She discovered the beauty of the blooming flowers, the soothing sound of the babbling brook, and the warmth of the sun on her skin. Each experience filled her heart with gratitude and contentment. One day, while exploring a dense forest, Maya stumbled upon a wise old sage named Ravi. Ravi had spent his life seeking the secrets of happiness and contentment. He invited Maya to sit with him and share her story. Maya spoke of her modest life and how she had found happiness in the little things. Ravi smiled and said, "You have already discovered the first secret of happiness, gratitude. Being thankful for what you have is the foundation of a joyful life." Ravi went on to share his wisdom with Maya. He explained that happiness was not a destination but a journey, and it could be found within oneself. He told her about the importance of self-acceptance, kindness, and compassion. Over the months, Maya visited Ravi often, and their conversations deepened her understanding of happiness. She began to practice mindfulness, learning to be fully present in each moment. She also devoted time to helping others in the village, spreading kindness and warmth wherever she went. As Maya continued to grow, she realized that true happiness was not about avoiding pain or hardship but about embracing life in all its facets. She understood that challenges were opportunities for growth and resilience. One winter, a harsh snowstorm swept through the village, leaving many families in need. Maya decided to organize a community effort to help those affected. Together with her fellow villagers, they provided shelter, warmth, and food to those in need. Through their collective efforts, the village grew closer, and the bonds of friendship deepened. Maya saw firsthand how helping others could bring immense joy and fulfillment. Word of Maya's wisdom and kindness spread far and wide. Travelers and seekers from distant lands came to visit her, seeking guidance on their own journeys to happiness. Maya shared her story and the teachings of Ravi with all who came, emphasizing the importance of gratitude, mindfulness, kindness, and resilience. As the years passed, Maya's village transformed into a haven of happiness and contentment. The villagers learned to find joy in the simplest moments, and their lives were enriched by their sense of community and connection. Maya continued to be a source of inspiration for all who crossed her path. Her life was a testament to the idea that happiness could be found not in the pursuit of material wealth but in the embrace of life's beauty, challenges, and the love we share with others. And so, in the village among the hills and streams, Maya's legacy of happiness lived on, reminding all who encountered it that the key to a joyful life was within their own hearts, waiting to be discovered in the present moment, with gratitude, mindfulness, kindness, and resilience as their guides. Moral of this story. The story of Maya teaches us that true happiness is not dependent on external circumstances or material possessions. Instead, it is found within ourselves and in our approach to life. The key lessons from Maya's journey to happiness are: 1. Gratitude. Being thankful for what we have, no matter how simple, is the foundation of a joyful life. 2. Mindfulness. Embracing the present moment and fully experiencing it leads to a deeper sense of contentment. 3. Kindness and compassion. Helping and caring for others not only brings joy to their lives but also enriches our own. 4. Resilience. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning empowers us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Maya's story reminds us that happiness is a journey, not a destination, and it's accessible to everyone who seeks it within themselves and in their relationships with others.